Hi, I'm Nikki from the Severn Sound Environmental Association. Behind me is our new weather station. This weather station is equipped with individual sensors that monitor wind direction and speed, relative humidity, air temperature, and rainfall. As part of Severn Sound Environmental Association's climate monitoring program, SSEA utilizes a network of weather sensors to monitor long-term environmental and climate trends in the Severn Sound area. This data is essential to analyzing and predicting trends in water quality and climate, as well as stormwater and water management in municipal settings.
To help engage the agricultural community, SSEA has arranged to include accumulative crop heat units, along with other weather parameters on their website. For more information, please visit www.severnsound.ca.